Top 10 Best Legal and Lawyer Movies. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel Nerdy with Nelson, and it's nice to have you back again. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the best legal or lawyer movies out there. This video is like a second version of the previous one, Top 10 Best Legal TV Shows and Legal Dramas. If you haven't watched it, you can watch the video by clicking on the top right corner. With that much said for intro, let's get right into the video, shall we?
You could be their next victim.
A Civil Action was directed by Steven Zaillian, and it features casts like John Travolta, Robert Duvall, James Gandolfini, amongst others. This legal movie was adapted from the non-fiction book, A Civil Action by Jonathan Harr. The movie follows Jan, a tenacious lawyer, who is approached by a group of families. When investigating the seemingly non-profiting case, he finds it to be a major environmental issue that has a lot of potential. The next on our list would go to the 1993 film, The Firm. This movie was directed by Sidney Pollack and features notable casts like Tom Cruise, Gene Hackman, Gene Triplehorn, and Ed Harris. This movie was also based off a novel of the same name by John Grisham. The movie follows Mitch, a lawyer who is lured by a big law firm with the promise of a bright future. Things do not go as planned after he finds himself embroiled in a murder case. The next on our list would go to the 1997 movie, The Devil's Advocate. The Devil's Advocate was directed by Taylor Hackford, and this movie has some notable casts like Al Pacino, Charlize Theron, Keanu Reeves, and Connie Nielsen. The movie follows Kevin Lomax, who was played by Keanu Reeves. Kevin Lomax is a lawyer who gets a job with a law firm in New York. However, he soon realizes that his employer is the devil himself and plans to torture him. Number 7, Amistad. Amistad was released in 1997 and was directed by Steven Spielberg. This legal movie features cast like Jimin Hun-soo, Morgan Freeman, Anthony Hopkins, amongst others. Joseph Sink leads a revolution aboard a slave ship sailing from Cuba to the USA in 1839 and tries to lead his crew back home. However, things go horribly wrong due to misdirection. Number 6, The Conspirator. Conspirator was released in 2010 and was directed by Robert Redford. This movie features notable casts like James McAvoy, Robin Wright, Kevin Kline, and Evan Rachel Wood. This movie was actually based off a true story. Following the assassination of President Lincoln, 7 men and 1 woman are arrested and charged with conspiring to kill Lincoln, the Vice President and the Secretary of State. Number 5, The Rainmaker. The Rainmaker was directed by Francis Ford Coppola, and it's based on the book of the same name by John Grisham. It features casts like Matt Damon, Danny DeVito, and Claire Danes. Rudy, a charming yet inexperienced law school graduate, agrees to fight for a boy suffering from leukemia after the insurance company refuses to pay for his life-saving operation. Number 4, Philadelphia. Philadelphia is a 1993 American legal drama film written by Ron Niswainer, directed by Jonathan Demme, and starring Tom Hanks and Denzel Washington. It tells the story of a young Philadelphia lawyer who is infected with AIDS and keeps his homosexuality hidden from his employers. When he is suddenly dismissed, he hires a homophobic lawyer for a wrongful dismissal suit. Number 3, Erin Brockovich. Erin Brockovich was directed by Steven Soderbergh and features casts like Julia Roberts, Marg Helgenberger, and Scarlett Pomers. In Hinckley, California, a legal assistant discovers a major company's dark secret that affects the health of the residents. With the help of her employer, she sets off to seek justice. Number 2, The Lincoln Lawyer. The Lincoln Lawyer was directed by Brad Furman, and it features casts like Matthew McConaughey, Ryan Phillip and Marissa Tomei. Defense lawyer Mick Haller lands a case defending a wealthy realtor's son who is accused of raping a prostitute. Believing his client to be innocent, Haller soon finds evidence that proves otherwise. Number 1, Legally Blonde. Legally Blonde was directed by Robert Lukitic, and the movie was based of the same name by Amanda Brown. It features casts like Reese Witherspoon, Jennifer Coolidge, Luke Wilson and Matt Davis. When Elle's boyfriend breaks up with her and joins Harvard Law School, she is determined to win him back. However, her pursuits lead her on a journey of self-discovery. Thank you for watching this video till the end. In case you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Bye for now.